I have a friend who can't stand spiders. He gets the absolute heebie-jeebies anytime he's around one. He can't stand their fuzzy bodies, their 8 legs, their numerous eyes. What is the name of my friend's phobia? Good enough! Flags of the world. From left to right, in which order are the 3 prominent colors on Mexico's flag? That's no good. The power of music. Hey, want to hear how high-pitched I can make my voice? Check it out.
What's the name of the highest-pitched group of voices in a choir?
Trains, planes, and automobiles. Starting in World War II, pilots would often have what's called nose art painted on their planes. No, not art painted using a nose. Oh, you silly goose. Art painted on the nose of the airplane. A good number of those fighter planes had a certain ferocious animal's face painted onto their fronts. Which animal is it? The power of music. What is it called when multiple voices are singing at the same time? Flags of the world. Oh no, I fell asleep on a train somewhere in Europe. I must be in an entirely different country than I was when I boarded. Wait, I see a flag outside. It's got 3 vertical stripes. A black stripe on the left, then a yellow stripe in the middle, and then a red stripe on the right. Help! What country am I in? Taste test. There was a U.S. Supreme Court case in 1893 that determined that a certain food item should be classified as a vegetable, even though it's botanically defined as a fruit. What food item was the topic of debate in that case? Flags of the world. Cow tools. What? You don't know what cow tools are? Well, I took an anthropology course in college and learned that humans used to be defined as the only animal that made and shaped tools. And that made me think, hey, what if cows made tools? And I just I tried making what I thought cows would make, and one of them is a hand saw or something, even though they don't have hands, they have cloven hooves. I don't know. Look, I just thought it would be interesting, okay? Shut up. We've got a very special guest backstage. Come on out, Bordy!
All aboard! It's time for a Bordy question. Take a look at this flag. Which country does it belong to?
Lucky guess.
I've got to go ride some of the rides while I'm here. See you later!
You know, I would... You put in the effort and you run... I mean, those are really difficult hobbies that So if anybody wants to trade up, I'm around. Oh, now I'm hungry. Shovelware Studios. Between rounds here at Shovelware's Brain Game, you can buy any prizes you missed out on from the shop. How much does it cost to buy a prize? Monumental landmarks. It's the Board of Edutainment himself, Bordy the Smartboard!
just can't get enough of me, huh? Here's your question. Take a look at this photo I took on my last vacation. Where am I? Another question down. See you all later.
Memorable events. Okay, this is gonna sound stupid, so bear with me. So, July 4th, right? The 4th of July, the United States holiday? I get so caught up in the fireworks and the sparklers and the rockets' red glare and the bombs bursting in air that I've entirely forgotten what the holiday is about. I remember some kind of document being signed back in, I don't know, what was it, 1776 or whatever? But I can't for the life of me remember what it was. Help a guy out, would you? Here, hold this. Memorable events. How many years did George Washington serve as the President of the United States of America? New from Lazy, it's the Do-It-Yourself Obby Kit. With over one variety of rectangular obstacles that may or may not be supposed to be lava, anyone can build their own obby without having to think about actual level design or matching obstacles to the theme for even one fraction of a second. Speaking of which, you should play my obby sometime. I worked really hard on it, you know. Congratulations! You're the winner of Shovelware's Brain Game! That's a wrap for this episode. Tune in next time for more of the same. I'd like to see that pompous pepper over at Goodwill Games put on half a show as good as this. This episode is sponsored by Lazy Brand Lazy Obstacles, the leading supplier of red plastic rectangles that can sometimes be interpreted as lava. Speaking of which, you should play my obby sometime. I worked really hard on it, you know.